Hi people, this is Nettie. Hi people, this is Nettie again. I just wanted to tell you that I woke up this morning checking my beautiful tomatoes. They got a whole stack of tomatoes, but I found one that was like this. What is this? That's Edrot tomatoes. Enrot tomatoes. Something like that. Anyway, but I looked it up in the computer because I remember about it that I have looked it up and seen it, but I couldn't remember what it was. So what I did was that I checked it out, and this is caused by either low calcium or low amount of water. Not constantly getting the same amount of water. So every two, how you call it? I soaked it until it threw out water right out there, and how you call it? And I also did something to prevent it. For in cases, is how you call it? The calcium. Okay, this has calcium. They say to buy this and buy that, get this and get that. But I can't afford to be getting all those stuff to put in my plants. I have to work with what I have. So what I use in my plants is this. 1414 plant food. It's very good. It's very good. I think that my plants have gone way better from what I had it last year and the year before. So so what I did with this is a slow processing that you put in the in the dirt, but it's slow. It lasts up to 4 hours, 4 months, and slowly gives the nutrient. So what I did was I took a spoonful and I blended in my blender with a little bit of water, and a little drop, like 2 drops of vinegar, and I blended it all in there, and that became like like a powder on the bottom of the water. So I had to shake it constantly to be pouring it. I also poured it in my plantain and where my onions at and here, and also where my how you call that eggplant that is looking sicky, and in my soursop. Those places that they need more water. They have a big canister like my soursop. It's like in a garbage can type of thing. So I put lots and lots of water. I put water here until it came out. I put water in my eggplant that it looks so weak and sick. Most likely I'm not giving it enough water. So I poured 2 gallons of water there. I hope that's enough. Tomorrow I will put maybe another gallon or 2 gallons more to make sure. But I call it the little ones ain't having much problem. It's just the big pots. Apparently I'm not getting it there. So that's what I did. I just added food plants, a drop of like 2 drops of vinegar or 3, something like that, and water. That's it. And I watered them. I didn't use that whole thing in one plant. What I did was I put it like I don't know, a little less than a half a cup, and put it in a gallon, a half a gallon, filled it up with water, shaked it real good, and put it in here. Then the rest I was just putting water because it has nutrients, as you can see. I don't know if you can see those little spots, brown spots, is nutrient. So I'm just trying to push it to see, until they start dissolving and giving its nutrient. So I didn't know if it was calcium, so I did that, And like I said, a little extra calcium is not going to hurt him anyway. So I put it in there, and then I added lots and lots of water until the water started coming out through here. Then I knew that she had enough water. It's a big plant. Is 1, 2, 3 plants in here, as you can see in the bottom. 3 plants in one little canister. Then I put the other canister, and it's doing beautifully, as you can see. I don't know if you could see. Wait, let me see if I could show you. Okay, I could show you the top of the light. Had to put the light on, and it's just gonna reflect. I put my finger. Okay, it's in this area. Okay, I think you could see it right there. Yeah, You see how big the flower is? Before it was like a little baby flower. Now it's growing big flowers. And as you could, I don't know, let me see if you could see. I don't know if you could see. You see the tomato all the way up there? Right there, right there, right there. They're growing, and the flowers up there are beautiful. So they're growing very big. And I guess because I've been trying to make sure that they have enough nutrients, but I guess I don't know if it's the water or it's the nutrient. But the thing is that they're growing beautifully, and but I don't want end rats in it. A lot of people say you could cut that piece and eat it. Oh no, I'm not gonna eat that. I'm sorry, but I'm very picky what I put in my mouth. So just to show you, if this worked, you won't have to even go and buy some product here and product there. You just get a little bit of 2 drops or 3 drops of, I call it, vinegar, some sort of solution like this one. This one is my favorite because I noticed that the plants are growing beautifully. I haven't never been able to grow not tomatoes, peppers, and I got a pepper growing. The rest of them died because of the heat, not because it wasn't getting any better, but the heat was killing it. So, but one survived and it's doing beautifully. It's starting to throw the side shoots. So anyway, people, this is all I wanted to say. I'm trying to prevent the ant rats to become my favorite in here. Is the only one that came out like that was this one. I checked the rest, none of them have it. So I caught it in time. So God bless you all. Until next time. Bye bye.